Previously, we fixed all dents, respray under the bonnet, swap over the stock hood, prepare the top, mask everything up, and hit with the fresh paint. Now it's time to bring all together. Let's finalize the job, put everything back on, and this is the final step from mile to mile. The bonnet comes in a 3 different bracket, which is this one for the side, 2 of these for the side, another one here, and this one, it comes in front of the scoop, and this one has 3 holes for the 3 lights. That's a 3 LED lights. And also, they send me screws and glue. I don't know where it goes. All right, let's do assembly. All right, so 3 lights. It goes at the back like this. Attached the back of these, and front it looks like 3 lights. This is the 3 attachment for the 3 lights. I tried a couple of times with the double-sided tape, but unfortunately it's not really fit to the actual bonnet. So the only option that I had it to put the silicone underneath and then just put the masking tape and then put these three things to pull that down to stick well.